Hey everyone, if you want to cancel your HeyGen subscription in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to stop future payments and what happens after cancellation. First, sign in to your HeyGen account. Make sure you're using the account that has the active subscription. Next, click your profile icon and select Settings. Yeah, this is where your account and billing information are located. Now click Plan and Billing from the left menu. This section shows your current subscription and billing details. Look for the arrow next to the Upgrade button. So this menu contains options for canceling or pausing your subscription. Click Cancel Plan and continue through the confirmation screens. Yeah, HeyGen may ask a few questions before completing the process. Follow the remaining prompts and confirm your decision. Once completed, your subscription will stop renewing automatically. Even after canceling, you'll still be able to use your paid features until the current billing period expires. Cancellation doesn't immediately disable your account. All of your videos and projects will remain in your account, so you'll still be able to access them after switching to the free plan. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel the subscription directly through those platforms. Yeah, deleting the app alone will not stop future charges. If you're eligible for a refund, contact HeyGen support and provide your account details and invoice information. Refund policies may vary depending on where the subscription was purchased. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to cancel a HeyGen subscription in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.